Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit and update cells on Google Sheet. So what cells actually? So let's open the Google Sheets first. Okay, let's open the document. So here I already have several documents. So what we call a cell is a combination between the columns and rows. So we can say this English here is a cell which combining between column B2 with column B with rows 2. So we call it as B2 cells. It will be the same as number here. So this is the cells of A2, the combination between the column A and the rows 2. And the way how to edit the cells quickly, just need to click the cells that you want to edit, and after that just need to go looking in this right low corner here, down corner in the pencil symbols, just need to type it. If you want to have an edit about the formatting, you just need to go click the cells, and after that you just need to go click this A symbols. I'm so sorry, my bad. A symbols, and you can just do the formatting for the B2 cells. If you want to make it bold, just go click the bold. If you want to make it italic, you just need to click this A. You can also adjust in the positions here. If you want to the information is stay in the middle, click it. You can also adjust in the size. If you want to make it smaller, go click this. If you want to make it bigger, go click this one. But if you want to update the information containing on this cell, you just need to type this into the site from English. Let's say you want to give a items, and then just need to click done. So that's all. That's the way how to edit and update the cells on the Google Sheet. So if you find that this tutorial is got you so well, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.